Welcome to Daddy Doze University. You are now enrolled into She Prego for Show. It seems that you are missing a couple things. Come on, man. You ain't come to class prepared? Stick your hands up. Yeah, yep. You gonna need that. Oh, yep. Definitely. Hold on, I'm gonna hook you up though, cause you're missing some. Boom. Yeah. Yep, those right there. Put them on. Put them on. Hurry up, man. Put them on. Put them on. Come on. There you go. Can 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 you hear me? Oh no, that's no good. Turn them on. There you go. Turn them on. Can you hear me now? Yes, you can. You liar. Last but not least, here you go. You gonna need these for sure. Nah, man. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Um, but yeah, sit back, relax. Got some tips for you. So let's ride.
But I'll always be your daddy. Just call on me your daddy. I'll pull up in the caddy. Yeah, I'm your daddy. I'm proud to be your daddy.
Oh, I thought I had some. What's good? It's your boy Doze, Daddy Doze in the building. We back with another Daddy Diary. Before I start this, I want to say that whatever I say is not law. It's not things you should do. It's just things I picked up along this daddy journey so far. Things I've learned, lessons I've learned. Just some perspective. Just my story. That's just what it is. It's a diary. Y'all can take pieces y'all want. Y'all can comment back, tell me y'all's perspective, things that have happened to y'all. So today we're going to talk about supporting your spouse through pregnancy. I'm actually pretty experienced in that field. Just some things I've learned along the way, some guys' perspective. We don't know exactly what they are going through. I would say they have a whole person being in their stomach. It's hard for dudes to really fathom just like the pain, the discomfort that a woman can go through when it comes to that. Like, I know, just fellas, just imagine you got a little stomach bug, right? You down, you out for the count. They have a whole stomach human. And it's not just for a day or couple days, a week. It's for 9 months. That's tough. That's tough. And we can't even imagine. And eventually it's gonna be times where you're gonna feel like Jeffrey from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Yes. So when that come, like these moments come, they're gonna happen. The longer you go in the pregnancy, like the first trimester, it's okay. Gonna be a lot of discomfort for your girl. She's just getting used to being pregnant. She be nauseous sometimes. Just feeling real weak. Um, Second trimester, it's a little better. They get the little baby bump. They just don't feel fat, cause you got to deal with. They feel fat, but it's not showing, so that messes with them psychologically. Like, people ain't gonna know I'm pregnant. They just gonna think I'm fat, cause my belly ain't really showing like that, but I'm just getting big. Tell them they beautiful. Third trimester, it can get rough. It can get rough, I will say. Many women go on bed rest around that time. Just very minimal movement. That's when you really gonna have to step up into action. Get your, you know, daddy do it all into work. You just gonna, and it's gonna be annoying. It's gonna be frustrating, but you, at the end of the day, it's not gonna. The pain, frustration, fatigue, tired, whatever, it's not gonna equal what they're going through. It's just not. Um, they're gonna go through a roller coaster of emotions. Their hormones are all over the place. They're sad, they're happy, they're excited, they're nervous. Um, they could just be frustrated with how long it's taking, frustrated with how their body looks. They're gonna think that probably they will never look as good as they once did. They're gonna think their stomach is gonna forever be messed up. Um, and this is where you step in as a, partner, and just reassure them that regardless, you're gonna be there. They look good. They will look good. You're gonna be there for them to help them get back to how they looked before, or even better. You're just gonna push them. And like I said, biggest thing there is just presence and words of assurance and actions of assurance. Still rub on their butt a little bit. Let them know they still look good. Give them a little hello. Give them one of those every now and then. Let them know you'll still holler. And another thing I will say is your duties as a spouse, partner, whatever, does not end once the baby comes. Because whether they give a natural birth or C-section, which my wife did twice, they're gonna need you to be there. You're gonna have to not only in the beginning take care of the baby, but you're gonna have to take care of her. Breastfeeding is gonna be tough. Your hours of sleep, waking up, it's gonna be tough, and that's gonna take a toll on them too. The lack of sleep that they're getting is gonna really take a toll on their body, take a toll on them mentally. So it's almost like they're still pregnant. They could be angry, they can be frustrated. Their body, they can be weak. So that's where you're gonna step up and say, hey, what do you need? So for me, I would say I struggle with that a lot, because I'm gonna be 100. I don't just be like, what is there to clean? I don't have OCD like that. I'm a big believer in organized chaos, and that frustrates Mo, especially because she got some OCD for real. So what I had her do is just make me a list of things that needs to be done. Just because, like I said, a lot of times I'm honest with myself and her that I just don't be thinking of things to clean, or things are in the wrong spot. I just don't. I don't know. I don't even know if it's something to fix, but just to make sure that I'm doing what she needs to have done to give her a better peace of mind, I have her make me a list, and I just knock it out. Like I said, the biggest thing is just to be there. I seen a lot of cases where people just aren't there for their spouse, and it breaks my heart, just because, fellas, we really do not understand just what they go through. And like, just talking about it is crazy. Yeah, because I seen it twice now. Firsthand twice. I seen births twice. And just even that experience, goodness gracious. Just be there. Just be there, guys. I mean, that's the least we could do, is be there. Be there ready to help. Be there ready to give a massage, rub some feet, rub some swollen ankles, neck massage, cook, clean. Should be there, guys. It's a group effort. The group effort starts well before the baby comes. It's not easy. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say it's easy at all, because it's not. but is it worth it? Yes. So I'm gonna end it right here. Peace out, y'all. Dad, stand up. Keep doing y'all thug thizzle. I'll holla at y'all later. Peace.
Well, think you might be ready now, big dog. Yeah, you see that? I got you something. Yeah, that. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir, ski. Hey, good luck, my brother.